Practice and mathematics. In this video, we are to find the value of a if a raised to the power 4 all raised to the power a raised to the power 8 is equal to 2. So let's see how we are going to do this. Okay, so let's start. Let's look at this expression here. So let's make substitution. So let y be equal to a raised to the power 8. So we know y is equal to a raised to the power 8. Okay, let's make a the subject. We can do that by raising both sides to the power 1 on 8. So this 1 over 8, and this 1 over 8. So this 8 will cancel. So this implies that a is equal to 1y raised to the power 1 on 8. Now let's go back to the main equation, then substitute this. We have a to the power 4 all raised to the power a to the power 8, which is equal to 2. So we are going to substitute this one. So wherever we see a, we put y to the power 8. So this implies that a here is y raised to the power 8 all raised to the power 4 times, now this we said that y is equal to a raised to the power 8. So this is y, which is equal to 2. Okay, so this implies that y raised to the power 8 all raised to the power 4y is equal to 2. Now from indices, x raised to the power m all raised to the power n is the same as x raised to the power, you multiply the exponent. So we are going to have y raised to the power 1 over 8 times 4y, which is equal to 2. So 4 will go here 2. We are going to have y raised to the power 1 on 2 all raised to the power y, which is equal to 2. Now from indices, x raised to the power m all raised to the power n is the same as x raised to the power n all raised to the power m. So this implies that y raised to the power y all raised to the power 1 on 2 will be equal to 2. Okay. Now we want to get rid of this fraction, so we can raise both sides to the power 2. When we do that, these two will cancel. On the left hand side we have y raised to the power y and then 2 raised to the power 2. Now if we have something like this, it means that y is equal to 2. Okay, now we said that y is equal to a raised to the power 8. Now y is 2, so this implies that a to the power 8 is equal to 2. So we want to find a. Can raise both sides to the power 1 on 8. 1 on 8. So 8 will cancel. So we have a is equal to 2 raised to the power 1 over 8. That is the answer. Viewers, thank you very much for watching this video. If you are watching me for the first time and you have not subscribed, can you click on the subscribe button? You can also share and give a thumbs up. Bye.